Rare liquid gold. The phrase conjures images of a treasure, but it's not hidden in vaults. It's found in Kenya's rural donkey stables, fueling a revolution that's rewriting the story of natural cosmetics. Imagine a bioactive serum, so potent it outperforms synthetic skincare, crafted not in a giant factory, but from the intricate milk of humble donkeys. This is the scientific revelation transforming Kenya's beauty industry, and today, you're about to witness its journey, from stable hygiene to high-end cosmetic laboratories. Deep in these rural landscapes, we hunt for lyophilized enzymes within donkey milk. These enzymes, freeze-dried and stabilized, unleash rapid cellular regeneration and collagen synthesis. Unlike bovine milk, donkey milk contains rare proteins and fatty acids that trigger real change beneath the skin's surface. As the global beauty market pivots toward natural alternatives by 2026, this African export stands at the center of a worldwide demand for authentic, safe, and effective retinol substitutes. But what does the extraction look like? It starts with vacuum-sealed milking technology, gently drawing out milk while preserving enzyme integrity. In the clean room, the milk undergoes lyophilization, a delicate process where freezing and vacuum drying protect the bioactive compounds from chemical breakdown. Unlike conventional heating, this method keeps enzymes alive, ready to fuel clinical skincare and medical-grade cosmetics. Behind glass doors, laboratory technicians run purity tests, verifying each batch meets international standards for distribution. It's here that the magic happens: cold-press saponification. This precise method keeps all fatty acids intact, maximizing absorption and leaving none of the therapeutic power behind. Formulating a serum base allows these enzymes to remain stable for global shipping, and molecular comparisons show that this organic serum surpasses leading synthetic brands in both efficacy and biocompatibility. The science isn't just theoretical. Real-world results validate its potency. Chronic skin conditions, stubborn dermatitis, and inflammatory reactions meet their match in the milk's uniquely structured proteins. Patients report rapid healing and soothing, supported by dermatological data. As the 2026 beauty market accelerates, consumer preferences shift definitively. Chemicals give way to agricultural bioactives, and the demand for pure, natural healing becomes mainstream. From science, we turn to economics. How does this niche livestock venture scale? Microdairies in rural Kenya are now hubs of innovation. Raw milk is converted into high-margin cosmetic exports for European and Asian markets. The profit margins are remarkable, transforming agricultural byproducts into global assets while creating sustainable jobs and setting a blueprint for high-tech industry across the continent. But beyond profit, there's a ripple effect: new standards in ethical farming, empowerment of rural communities, and a sustainable approach to beauty that bridges tradition and technology. Kenya's rare liquid gold isn't just disrupting the cosmetic industry, it's building a future where science, business, and nature work together. As you reflect on the journey from stable to serum, consider the science, the business, and the artistry behind donkey milk cosmetics. If this story sparks your curiosity or entrepreneurial spirit, join our community. Like this video to support more content about natural breakthroughs. Share it to inspire others who chase beauty, science, and sustainable business. And subscribe to our channel, Farming is Our Business, for daily videos exploring Africa's agricultural innovations. Don't miss the everyday stories that shape tomorrow's industries. Your support helps us create, share, and grow. Let's build the future of beauty together.